Gum.
Just ask someone for a piece of gum.
This is one of two side projects I want to do for Valentine's Day, and so I'm going to show you the easier one of the two. So for this, you're just going to need a stick of gum, and we're going to be making a heart out of the wrapper. And this shouldn't take you any more than a few minutes. So you see these four corners right here? We're going to be folding these corners in. So when folding in the corners, this is the rule of thumb that I like to use. You're actually going to be folding in that corner a little bit before that crease line or a little bit after. And this is all dependent on the stick of gum that you get. And in my case, I actually have both examples that you'll run into. So here, I'm just going to be folding in the four corners. Once you're done with that step, you should have something like this. From here, we're actually going to be folding in the two side pieces into the center. The purpose of this is to make the wrapper a little bit skinnier because right now it's a little too wide. And then following the previous rule, we're going to actually fold this into itself either a little bit before or a little bit after that crease line, depending on where it's sitting. For the next step, we're actually going to fold this in half so that we can create a crease line in the center. Make sure these look very similar to one another, otherwise the heart is going to look a little lopsided. And so here now we have our center crease line. And this will be the final step for the heart. All you're going to do is just fold in a sweeping motion, leaving that point on the bottom. And then you're pretty much set to go. What I like to do is throw it into my phone case. That way it'll give it a chance to flatten out really nice. And if you don't want to put it in between your phone case, you can go ahead and put it inside a book. That'll also work. And then if you want to take it a step further, you can go ahead and write little love notes in here that are very specific for your significant other. This is a really cheap and easy Valentine's gift that anyone can make.
It's also a really good way to get rid of your trash without throwing it away yourself.
Have fun making them.